All right. All right, function notation and problem solving. So we already did problem solving with a calculator. Remember this? You know, like we kick the soccer ball and what? Oh, freezing. We kick the soccer ball and how far does it travel? Remember those questions that we did? This is exactly the same thing. Instead of putting an H for the height of the soccer ball, we put H of t. Okay, we're saying that little parentheticals note that means this is a function, and we're going to talk about time. We're going to input time into this function. Okay, that's all that we do different between these two equations. All right, so this was in the last lesson, assignment lesson 6. We did this question about candles and how long it lasts. Let's go do this, okay? A candle manufacturer found that their long-last candles melted according to the formula H of t is equal to negative 2t plus 12, where H is the height of the candle in centimeters after t hours. So previously, we just didn't put the little ht there. That's all we did. We just said H equals, right? So the only thing we're doing now is we're saying, okay, we're just going to tell you what the height is respective to. So the height is the dependent variable. It depends on how long you've been burning the candle. Make sense? So we put this little parenthetical phrase right here just to say height depends on t. Height depends on time. That's all that changes here. You can still use your y equals in your calculator. You still have to find windows. You still have to find domain and range. Okay? Not much new. So it says, use a graphing calculator to sketch the graph of the function and show the graph on the grid. Grab your calculator. Go quick. Type this in there. Calculator. David, that boy, that's your brother?
Yeah.
Do you mean him?
Yes.
Okay, and he has it?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are you going to do about it?
I don't know. Should I go see if it's in his law?
Yes, you should, quickly. All right, and I hit graph. Now, I don't know about your... Okay, my windows are on Zoom 6. What am I missing? What?
Oh, your y-axis.
Yes, I'm going to start making y'all do push-ups for forgetting your calculators. Go. You need your calculator every day.
Yeah.
Okay. I need more y-axis. You're right, Ben. So how do I do that?
Zoom.
No.
Oh, sorry.
Windows, make my y be a little bit taller. I'm going to make it be 15. Okay. Hit graph. There. Looks good. Do I need to go farther to the left so I see more negative values? Why? You can't have negative. What is the x value? The candle? No, x isn't the candle. Time, thank you. X is time. You can't have negative time, so we don't need to show more negatives.
She doesn't have it. Like, I think it's with her at home.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, sit down. You have to do it by hand then. Remember how to make a little table of values and put values in and find your graph it by hand. That'll be fun. You can do that. Okay, then it says determine the value. Okay, so we need to draw this picture. Here's my picture. Good. Is that the only part that matters? Do I need to go down further? Do I need to?
No, you can't.
No, we don't. Your candle doesn't become negative height. Because what is the y value of this question? Height. The height of the candle. The height. Okay. Find the h of 5. What does that mean? What's 5? What is 5? T. Time. How do I find it when time is 5? What do I do? Trace. Trace 5. Hit enter. What's the height? 2 centimeters. It says write the meaning, the words, write in words the meaning of h of 5. What are the words I would write? The height is 2 centimeters after 5 hours. You must talk to me about both things. Don't just say the height of the candle. Nope, don't say that. If I ask you about a specific point, I want you to tell me about both axes. One is about time and one is about height. Understand? Mention both. Okay. Evaluate the following. Explain their significance. What is h of 0? Oh, yes?
H of 0 would be...
What is h of 0?
It hasn't burned at all.
Okay. Time has not passed.
Yeah.
We haven't lit the candle yet. Okay, and what is the value of it?
12.
12, right. So the height when time is 0. All right? Good. What about h of 6? How do you find that? Trace 6, because that means time is 6, and hit enter. What do we get? 0. Oh. All right. So what's the significance of that point? Okay, the candle stops burning after 6 hours, or the candle has completely melted after 6 hours, or the height of the candle is 0 after 6 hours. Tell me about the candle and tell me about the time. Okay, so I'll just say melted completely after 6 hours. Okay, good. What about h of t? Find that on your calculator. Tell me the value of it.
Not possible.
How do you go? Oh, yeah, it is. Trace.
Like, it's not possible
8.
for a candle to be
Oh, okay. -4. The value of h of 8 is -4, but we know that's ridiculous. That does not match our context, because you can't have, time isn't negative. Time is 8. What is negative?
the candle.
The height of the candle. The height of the candle. Okay, can't have negative height. So this is not significant to our story. Might be significant to, I don't know, to stocks, or to digging a, I don't know, who knows. Okay. How long will it take for the candle to burn down to a height of 7? That's a y equals 7. How do we do that on our calculators? Just go to y equals, hit 7 on your y2. Tell me what you get. What do I do now? Second function, calculate a what? Intersection. Enter, 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 and you get 2.5. What is 2.5? 2.5 hours. Good. Now let's talk about a suggested domain and range for my function. So what is the domain? What do I include for my letter? T. Okay. T such that. What's the height of my candle? What's the lowest to the highest? My lowest to my highest. 0 all the way to 12. No, not 12. Is it 12? No, I'm talking about time, people. T is time. This is time. This is 12. The height of my candle. We'll use that in my range. But remember when it burnt out right here? What was time? 6, right. So I don't want to go from 0 to 12. I want to go from 0 to 6. We're talking about the time it takes for it to burn down to nothing. Okay, now, is this a continuous burning? So I should put what? T is an element of real numbers. Good. Let's talk about range. What am I going to put in for the letters to use for range?
H of t.
H of t. Yeah, you have to put it all down. H and then a little t. Such that. All right. Do I have 2 boundaries on my h of t? Yep. From where to where? 0 to 12. Start from smallest. Little signs go this way. Put your h of t in the middle, please. From 0 to 12. Is it continuous? Yes. So h of t is an element of real numbers. Good. Okay? That's your lesson for today. That's it. Nothing new, just understanding the different notation.
That's it.